Want to type faster on your Samsung phone? Google Keyboard's voice typing can make it easy. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Google Voice typing on your phone. Let's jump right in. First, make sure to install and set Gboard on your phone. After that, go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Find out General Management, then tap on it. Next, scroll down again. Then tap on Gboard settings. Now scroll down again slightly. Then tap on voice typing. Now make sure to turn on use voice typing. And that's it. Now open any chatting app like Message to check your Google Voice typing. And then tap on the text box. Here you can see the microphone icon. Simply tap on it. Say something here and check your voice typing whether it works or not. Alright everyone, that's how you use Google Voice typing on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.